Too much glare. Now, unfortunately, this part comes separate, and right now we're trying to see if they will be willing to remove it. Otherwise, they are willing to sell it at their cost, which I believe is $5,600. They come looking like that. And then you get this thing retrofitted with whatever it is that you want to put in the back of it, kind of like this. Okay, and that's where we stand at the moment. I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you.